Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can generate your images using AI in Canva. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on a, semi-blank uh, project. I just have two slides with a transition in between them. And let's say I want to add an image generated using AI. If you go into Elements in your left toolbar, and you will excuse me for this not being in English, but this here is Elements. You can, recognize it by the icon, which you can see here. And within the elements, you'll see your recently used, you'll see shapes, you'll see graphics, and then you'll see an AI picture generator. What you want to do here, you can add any of these suggestions, or you can click on this, which says generate your own, and it has this icon of a plus. Here you can add more than 5 words for description. Let's say duck, blue, swimming, let's say small and woods, let's say, or swamp, let's say swamp. And then you can just type that. You can choose a still style which you want, let's say for example photograph, and then you can pretty much change the aspect ratio. You can add graphics, you can add videos, but let's say I just want a picture. You just add this text, choose the style, choose the aspect ratio, and click generate picture, and it'll take a couple of seconds to actually generate it. As you can see, this is about the speed at which it is going, but after a certain amount of time it will generate the picture, which you will then be able to enter into the actual here, this space, the actual slide. And as you can see, it added a couple of suggestions, and let's say I want this one, just click on that, and as you can see, it has added that to my slide. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.